Me and Helen are over the road truck drivers, and she's cooking. Babe, what you cooking?
Pork fried rice,
She's cooking pork fried rice in a crock pot,
rice cooker.
rice cooker. She makes delicious meals on the truck for us. We cook at home first before we leave and go out on the road, and then she packs it up in gallon-sized bags and bring it with us on the road. And then when time to eat, she puts it in the rice cooker and make a lot of great meals.
Well, this particular one's in the rice cooker. This is the pork that you smoked on the grill,
Okay.
and I just added it into a bag of that Knorr fried rice sides.
Yes.
Cook it in the rice cooker.
To give you all a good glimpse of it, a good picture of it. There it goes right there.
Just add a little extra water whenever you're cooking your rice. If you put your meat in with your rice.
Okay, it looks good. Thanks everybody for watching and viewing.